Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 10. In this occasion, we would like to present about the material assessing writing.
Types, gender of writing language. There are 3 points. First point is academic writing. Academic writing consists 6 points. First, papers and general subject reports. Second, essay compositions. Third, academically focused journals. 4. Short answer test responses. 5. Technical report and so on. 6. Thesis dissertations. 2 point is job-related writing. Job-related writing consists 7 points. First point is messages or phone messages. Second, letters or emails. Third, memo or so on. 4. Reports or job evaluation project reports. 5. Schedules, labels, sites. 6. Advertisements, announcements. And last, manuals. Third point is personal writing. Personal writing consists 7 points. First, letters, emails, greeting cards, invitations. Second, message, notes. Third, calendar, centuries, shopping list, reminders. 4. Financial documents and so on. 5. Forms, questionnaires, medical reports, immigration documents. 6. Diaries, personal journals. 7. Fictions. Types of writing performance has 4 points. First point is imitative. Imitative to produce writing language. The learner must attempt skill in the phonetics of writing letters, words, punctuations, and very brief sentences. This category includes ability to spell correctly and to perceive phoneme gaps correspondences in the language spelling system. It is a level at which learners are trying to master the machine of writing. All this stage from its primary if not exclusive focus, while context and meaning are not secondary concern. Second point is intensive control. Beyond the fundamentals of imitative writing are skill in productive writing within a context, collections and idioms, and correct grammatical feature up to the length of a sentence. Meaning and context are of some importance in the determinants correctness and appropriateness, but in assessment texts are more concerned with a focus on form. and are rather strictly controlled by the test design. Third point is responsive. Here, assessment tasks require learners to perform at a limited discovery level, connecting sentences into a paragraph and creating a logical connected squish of two or three paragraphs. Tasks respond to pedagogical directives, lists of criteria, outlines, and other guidelines. Genres of writing include a brief narrative and descriptions, short reports and lab reports, summaries, brief responses to reading, and interpretation of charts or graphs. 4 points is extensive. Extensive writing implies successful management of all the processes and strategies of writing for all purposes, up to the length of the essay, a term paper, a major research project report, or even as these writers focus on achieving a purpose, organizing and developing ideologically, using the tiles to support or illustrate ideas, demonstrating systematic and logically variety, and in many cases, changing in the processes of multiple draft to achieving a final product.
And the next, micro and macro skill of writing. The first, micro skills. Micro skill apply more appropriately of imitative and intensive types of writing tasks. The first, produce gram frames and orthographic patterns of English. The second, produce writing at an efficient rate of speed to suit the purpose. Third, produce an acceptable core of words and use appropriate word order patterns. Fourth, use acceptable grammatical system, dissemble, tenses, agreements, pluralizations, pattern, and rules. And then express a particular meaning in different grammatical form. And the last, use cohesive device in written discourse. In the second point, macro skills. Macro skills are essentials for the successful mastery of responsive and extensive writing. And the first, use the rhetorical forms and conventions of written discourse. Appropriately accomplish the communicative functions of written text according to form and purpose. Convey links and connections between events and communicate such relation as main idea, supporting idea, new informations, given informations, generalizations, and exemplifications. And then distinguish between literal and implied meaning when writing. Correctly convey culturally specific references in the context of the written text. Develop and use a battery of writing strategies, such as accurately assessing the audience interpretation, using pre-writing devices, writing with fluency in the first draft, using paraphrases and synonyms, and soliciting peer and instructors' feedback, and using feedback for revising and editing. And the next, designing assessment tasks. The first, imitative writing. There are 2 points. The first point is task enhance writing letters, words, and punctuations. The first, copying, listening close selections tasks, picture cue tasks, form compilation tasks, and the last, converting numbers and abbreviations to words. The second point, spelling tasks and detecting phonemes, graphemes, correspondences. And then the first, spelling test, picture cue tasks, multiple choices techniques, and the last, matching phonetic symbols. The second point of designing assessment tasks is intensive control writing. This next level of writing is what second language teacher trainings manuals have 2 decades called controls writing. It may also be tough offers from focus writing, grammar writing, or simply guided writing. The traditional grammars of vocabulary test has plenty of display writing in it. Since the response mode demonstrates only the test taker's ability to combine or use words correctly, no new information is passed on from one person to the other. And the first, dictations and dictocom. Grammatical transformations tasks, picture cue tasks, short sentences, picture descriptions, picture sequence descriptions, vocabulary assessment tasks, ordering tasks, and the last, short answer and sentence completion tasks. And the last point of designing assessment tasks is responsive and extensive. In these sections, we consider both responsive and extensive writing tasks. They will be regarded here as continuum and possibilities ranging from lower-end tasks whose complexity exists, those in the previous category of intensive or control writing, through more open-ended tasks such as writing short reports, essays, summaries, and responses, up to the text of several pages or more. The first, paraphrasing, guided questions and answer, paragraphs, construction tasks, topic sentence writing, topic developments within paragraph, development of main and supporting ideas across paragraph, strategy option, attending to tasks, and the last, attending to genre.